Hey, think about it. That $10 you spent today, was it a coffee? Lunch? Something you don't even remember now? Well, what if I told you that exact same $10, if you just pointed it in a different direction every day, could be the key to a massive retirement fund? It sounds kind of crazy, right? But stick with me. We're going to break it all down. So, it really boils down to this one simple, almost silly question. How can a tiny little daily habit, something that costs less than your lunch, actually turn into $4 million? I know, it sounds like some kind of get-rich-quick fantasy, but the math here is legit. It's powerful. And honestly, it's something anyone, and I mean anyone, can start doing like today. So let's pop the hood and see how this engine really works. Okay, so first things first, before we get into the how, we need to talk about a dangerous myth about money that a lot of us grew up believing. You know that idea that your money is safe and sound, tucked away in a savings account? It's just, it's not the whole truth. In fact, it's kind of the opposite. Because of this little thing called inflation, the cash just sitting there is actually losing its punch, its buying power, every single day. So if you want to build real wealth, you've got to get your money out of the place where it's slowly melting away and into a place where it can actually, grow. And that right there requires a huge mental shift. It's about changing your thinking from just earning money to making your money earn money for you. So take a look at this. It's called the cash flow quadrant. Now, most of us, we live over here on the left side. We're either employees or we're self-employed. Basically, we're trading our time for money. If we don't work, we don't get paid. Simple as that. But the path to real, honest-to-goodness financial freedom, it's that arrow. It's about moving to the right side, becoming a business owner, or, and this is our focus today, an investor. That's where your money starts punching the clock for you, 24/7. Okay, so how do we actually build this freedom fund? Sounds complicated, right? Well, it's way simpler than you'd think. We're going to do it with a seriously powerful but simple portfolio of just 3 funds. The secret sauce, the magic behind this whole thing, really has 3 key ingredients. First, you've got your dividend yield. Just think of this as cash payments the funds send you just for owning a piece of them. It's like a little thank you reward. Second, you want strong dividend growth. This is huge. It means those cash payouts don't just stay the same, they get bigger and bigger over time. And finally, of course, you want the share price to go up. That means the value of what you actually own is growing too. Now, the engine for all of this is something called an index fund. And what is that? Super simple. Instead of trying to pick one winning stock, which is basically gambling, an index fund lets you buy a tiny slice of a whole bunch of top companies all at once. It's like buying a basket of stocks instead of just one apple. What does that do? It spreads out your risks, so if one company has a bad day, it doesn't sink your whole ship. It smooths out the ride. All right, fund number 1. This is FSKX, the Fidelity Total Market Index. Think of this as the foundation of our house. It's our bedrock. Why? Because it gives you a piece of the entire U.S. economy. We're talking everything from the huge tech giants you know and love, all the way down to the small, up-and-coming innovators. It's solid, it's broad, it's our starting point. Next up, we're adding our income grower. This is FSMDX, the Fidelity Mid-Cap Index Fund. Now, check this out because this is wild. The dividends from this fund have grown by over 23% annually for the last 10 years. Let that sink in. The cash it's spitting out has been growing like a weed year after year. This is the part of our portfolio that's going to put our passive income stream on hyperdrive. And to round it out, we need some rocket fuel. That's FTCET. It's an ETF that focuses on information technology. This is our growth engine. It's designed to capture the insane power of the companies that are basically building the future. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, the real heavy hitters. Okay, so we've got our 3 powerhouse funds. But now we get to the real magic. The secret ingredient that makes this whole thing lazy. The part that puts your wealth building on complete autopilot. It's a little thing called DRIP. It stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. And don't let the name scare you. It's literally just a checkbox you tick in your brokerage account. And what it does is it tells the system to automatically take all that dividend cash you're earning and use it to buy more shares of the very same funds. You set it up one time, one click, and then you just let it do its thing forever. The best way to really get your head around this is with the compounding tree idea. So picture this. Your first investment, that's your first tree. Now, that tree starts producing fruit, right? Well, in this case, the fruit is your dividends. We'll call them seeds. And what drip does is it automatically takes every single one of those seeds and plants them for you. And what do those seeds do? They grow into new little trees. And what do those new trees do? They start producing their own seeds. Before you know it, you've got a whole forest growing, all from that one original tree. And I gotta be honest with you, this is the most important part of the whole strategy. You have to be patient. In the beginning, for the first few years, the growth is gonna feel, well, slow. It's not exciting, but you have to let time do its job, because over 20, 30 years, that slow, boring little growth curve suddenly explodes. It goes from a gentle slope to a rocket launch. It becomes an unstoppable exponential force. So let's look at the timeline. Let's see how that simple, everyday $10 actually transforms into financial freedom. Okay, so what does this actually look like in the real world? Now, of course, this is all based on historical averages, no guarantees, but here's the potential. After 10 years of just $10 a day, your portfolio could hit around $185,000. Not bad, right? But wait, after 20 years, you're knocking on the door of $1 million. But look, just look at that last 10 years. That's when the magic happens. The compounding goes into overdrive, and you jump from $1 million all the way to $4 million. That's $3 million of growth in just that last decade alone. That is exponential growth. And this, right here, is the best part. This is the whole point. It's not just about piling up a big pile of cash. It's about building a money machine. A machine that pays you month after month so you can live your life without ever having to take the machine apart and sell it for scraps. So at that $4 million level, what does the machine produce? Well, a portfolio like this could be generating somewhere around $10,000 every single month in completely passive dividend income. Just think about that for a second. That's a second salary. A salary that shows up forever whether you roll out of bed to go to work or not. That's what freedom looks like. So let's wrap this up. What's the plan? It's really simple. Step 1, start the small habit. $10 a day. That's it. Step 2, point that money into a simple, diversified, low-cost portfolio like the one we talked about. Step 3, turn on drip and automate the whole process. And then the final and most important step, just let it be. Be patient. Let time and compounding do all the heavy lifting for you. Look, this whole thing isn't about being some Wall Street genius or timing the market perfectly. It's just about being more consistent and more patient than most people are willing to be. So the real question you have to ask yourself is this: are you ready to stop just working for security and start investing for true freedom?